HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us visualize distribution skewing examples, difficult and easy exams. Let's look at how exam scores might be skewed. Here we have an exam that was not pleasant for students. The distribution of scores is positively skewed. This distribution has a floor effect because most of the scores are squished up against the lowest score of 0, which represents the floor. As we can see, most students scored very low on this exam. In fact, most students scored between 0 and 20%. As the score increases, fewer and fewer students were able to achieve these higher scores. Only a very small number of students did well on this exam. But what if the exam were very easy? Here is a distribution of scores for an easy exam. Students loved this exam. The distribution of scores is negatively skewed. This distribution has a ceiling effect because most of the scores are squished up against the highest score of 100, which represents the ceiling. Most students scored between 80 and 100 on this exam. As the score decreases, fewer and fewer students had studied so little to achieve the low score. Despite the fact that the exam was easy, there were some huge slackers that never came to class and they did very poorly. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.